Today I am going to be making top ramen, switching it up once in a while. I'll be making top ramen instead of Maruchan ramen noodles. All right, this is by Nissin. All right, I am making their chicken flavor with natural and artificial flavors. See, they're not just giving you natural flavors, and they're not just giving you artificial flavors. They're giving you a combination of both worlds. The best of both worlds. Absolute goodness. And there is no added MSG for you health conscious people out there. All right, so let's get on with this, okay? It's ready in 3 minutes, okay? But it's gonna take a little bit of work. And with this pack of ramen noodles, I'm gonna add a little bit of funk to it this time. I'm gonna be putting in Frank's Red Hot Original Cayenne pepper sauce and some green onion in this. Absolute goodness. All right, so let's go ahead and read the instructions on here. The instructions are on the side. I'm doing this for you guys because I'm a chef, and you know, chefs, we don't really look at the ingredients or instructions. Right here, microwave, okay, directions. Remove lid, take out soup and vegetable pouches. Empty soup and vegetable pouches onto noodles. Set aside flavor sauce pouch. Add room temperature water to the inside fill line. Place in the microwave, uncovered for 3 minutes on high, and then let stand for 1 minute. Empty flavor sauce pouch into soup. All right. There's a warning on there that this may be hot. It's going to be hot. And it's also going to be absolute goodness, but I don't see a warning on there about that. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the pouch. All right, open up the pouch. All right, pull this back. Wow, there's a lot of things in here. Look at this. There's 3 packs of stuff. There's a flavor right here. This is what we put in last, I believe. The flavor sauce. And then you have the chicken flavor. What is this? Why is this half open? It's kind of, did this get dumped? It's pretty, I don't know. What's going on right here? It's an empty flavor pack. I don't know what it's all about. But anyway, I'm gonna take that, and then I have my vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and put the vegetables inside of the bowl. Just like this. Absolute goodness. And then I'm going to take my room temperature water from out of my measuring cup and pour it to the inside line, as they said right here. Let me zoom in so you can see this process a little bit better. Absolute goodness. All right, that's to the line. Now I'm going to take it and put it in the microwave. All right, I'm gonna take this and put this in the microwave like the instructions say. Place it into the microwave and then put it in for 3 minutes. All right, so let me go ahead. 3 minutes. All right, absolute goodness. All right, while that's cooking in the microwave, I'm gonna show you a little bit of my knife work. I'm going to cut up the green onion with my knife. Now be careful because you don't want to cut yourself. So just take the knife and the green onion and then put the green onion on my cutting board and slice the green onion in moderately small, large pieces. All right, absolute goodness. All right, just gonna keep on slicing this up. All right. Once you finish slicing up the green onion, look at this. I can actually smell the green onion. All right, come up to the screen. Smell the green onion. Doesn't it smell amazing? Absolute goodness. All right. And then what I like to do with the Frank's hot sauce, I like to air it out for about a minute or 2 before I actually put it on my ramen noodles. So I'm going to take the cap off, let it air out, and the ramen noodles should be about done. I'm going to let them sit for about a minute after they're done, and then go ahead and add the flavoration and the green onion. Absolute goodness. All right, the ramen noodles are done. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see the soupation of this. All right, look at that. Absolute goodness. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and add the flavor sauce right here. Here's the flavor sauce. Please add flavor sauce after microwaving. That's where we're at right now. We just finished microwaving. Let me grab a spoon, and I'm just gonna put this right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the flavor sauce to this. All right, just go ahead and peel it back like that. Add the flavor sauce. Look at the flavor sauce. Absolute goodness. Put the flavor sauce in there. And then I'm going to stir it, the flavor in there, get the flavor permeated in there. Look at that. Come to the screen, smell that. Look at the ramen noodles. Smell the ramen noodles. Smell the flavor. Absolute. All right. And then I'm going to add some green onion right on top. Add some green onion. Then I'm going to take the Frank's Red Hot after I've been airing it out for a little bit. And I'm going to just put some Frank Red Hot right on the ramen noodles. All right, put enough Frank's Red Hot that get enough flavoration in there. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.